Liad, weighing and control systems.
ColorSave.
ColorSave is a highly advanced and cost-effective single-component gravimetric feeder for master batches and additives. Unlike other feeders, ColorSave's separate internal weighing hopper ensures greater resistance to movement and mechanical vibrations. The protection provided to the load cell by the external hopper guarantees precise weighing and ensures there are no external influences on the weighing. Thanks to the isolation of the inner weighing hopper, the ColorSave, together with an integrated automatic venturi vacuum loader, can be mounted directly on the machine's throat using a standard neckpiece adapter. Here we see raw material being drawn directly into the weighing hopper. ColorSave's innovative design and use of sophisticated algorithms ensure homogeneous dosing regardless of changes in material density or other dynamic parameters. ColorSave's controller utilizes a loss in weight method to maintain the optimal set point. All of this ensures precise dosing and prevents overdosing of materials, no matter if it's an injection, extrusion, or blow molding system. An access panel at the base of the ColorSave unit allows easy emptying of the hopper and changing of colors. Final emptying of the unit can be accomplished by reversing the screw several turns to remove the remaining traces of material. Whatever the throughput, ColorSave has the right screw. The feeding screw is easily replaced. ColorSave's accuracy can make possible a savings of up to 50% in master batch consumption when compared to volumetric feeders. Appreciable savings can also be seen in comparison to batch blenders, whether throat-mounted or remote. Reduced consumption of master batch translates to significant savings in raw materials costs. Using ColorSave improves product quality while reducing defects. A communication port allows ColorSave to interface with control software, providing real-time data collection and management of material consumption. The LiadView system permits monitoring all of a plant's ColorSaves. LiadView displays the working status of all ColorSave feeders on a single screen and can provide historical graphs, reports, and the parameters of each dose. Liad holds a number of patents in various countries relating to the ColorSave's mechanics and algorithms. All of these make ColorSave the most advanced weighing feeder.